Define real man.
A real man would be someone who is kind and supportive.
A man in your life you really look up to.
It's my brother. Yeah, he's very supportive, very calm, and
Define real man.
breadwinner, leader, and protector.
What role do men play in your life?
Okay, the only man who plays a vital role in my life is my dad. So a father and daughter relationship is always a special feeling. So I have felt and experienced it. Thank you.
What do you think is the most underrated quality in men?
ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಯಜಮಾನ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು 4 ಜನ ಇದ್ರೇ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದವರು.
Happy Men's Day to all the men around the globe. May you keep inspiring and leading and have a positive impact around your people. Happy Men's Day.